How to mention all friends in Facebook comments. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can mention all of the friends on Facebook comments, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're trying to comment somewhere and then you want to tag all of your friends, the way you can tag all of your friends is just hit @ straight to the point, and instead of tagging them one by one, you can type in followers or highlight. This highlight will only give some of the friends the notification. Followers means anyone who follows you. Now if they are your friend might not necessarily mean that they follow you, so that's the thing. Or you can simply actually use hashtag or @friends. So when you type in @friends, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically tag everybody, whoever are actually friends with you. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.